All right, YouTube. Yeah, there she is. She got some new shoes put on the back. All right. Let's go out here and show you 5.7 Hemi Chrysler. What's this? Chrysler 300. Yep. All right. Today's issue, we all know about this. Got a P301 code, #1 misfire. So we're gonna rip out the coil pack. Customer only replaced the spark plug, so we're gonna try out the coil because it only has 101,000 miles on it. The one badass thing is this thing is all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. You know, out of a dig, this thing pulls. Nice little vehicle. There it is, all-wheel drive. Chrysler 300S. Pretty sharp car. Nice interior. Like I said, only 101,000 miles, so I really can't see that it's going to be a lifter issue, but I don't want to rule it out either. Because this is the same thing, 5.7 Hemi. What happens is these hydraulic lifters here, the roller bearings on top end up moving back and forth, allowing this thing to slap back and forth, causing a noise like, and there's a misfire. But we're gonna try the coil first, see if that cures it. I already tested it. There's no spark coming from the current coil, so we'll have to check it on out. What are you doing today?
Chevy.
Oh, you're trying to, okay, yeah, upgrading this Chevy, what is this thing?
Chevy Avalanche.
Avalanche. Doing a custom grill on it. What else did we do to this car? We did the tail lights on it.
Did a lot of things on that.
Yeah, we did. Did a lot. Fuel pump. Jeez. Oh yeah, he put these nice headlights on here. He's trying to just make it, give it a little face over, you know, a little facelift on this thing. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Gotta get back to work. Gotta see if we can cure this P301 code real quick, get him out of there. Then I got a Land Rover. That's gonna be fun. Don't forget.